Finding the present value of an ordinary annuity with the formula A sub n is equals to R multiplied to quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus I raised to negative n all over I, wherein A sub n is the amount or the present value. R is the periodic payment paid quarterly, monthly, annually, or semi-annually. N is the number of payments with the formula N is equals to T or time in years multiplied to M. M is the conversion unit. I is the periodic interest with the formula I is equals to J divided by M. M is the interest rate, then M is the conversion. J is the interest rate, M is the conversion period. Example number 1, to buy a certain item, Anna must pay 3,000 every quarter of 2 years. If interest is at 15%, M is 4. What is the equivalent cash price? So the 3,000 there is the R. So ito po yung periodic payment po niya. Then 2 years po, time in years, which is 2. 15% na J or 0.15. Then M is 4, compounded quarterly po kasi. We can solve our N, T multiplied to M. Our T is 2. Then our M is 4. So N is equals to 8. Next, for our I is equals to J 0.15 divided by M, which is 4. 0.15 divided by 4, so we have 0.0375. Kompleto na po ang given. We can substitute that one into our formula. A sub n is equals to R. R po natin is 3,000. Quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus I. I po natin is 0.0375. Quantity raised to negative n. N po natin is 8. Divided by our I, which is 0.0375. Quantity. Next po is 3,000. Quantity 1. Add po natin yan. So we have 1.0375 raised to negative 8 divided by 0.0375 is equals to 3,000. Simplify po muna natin. So we can have 1 plus 1.0375 raised to negative 8. We can get po 0.744,895,167 divided by 0.0375 is equals to 3,000. Simplify po natin. 1 minus 0.044895,167. The answer is, so 1 minus, we can have 2.255104832 divided by 0.0375 again. So 1.0375 raised to negative 8. So the answer is 0.744895167. Then 1 minus, the answer is 2.55. 2.55. Again, erase po natin. Wait lang po. So we can have 0.255104832 divided by 0.0375. Divide po natin yan. So we can have, so continue po natin dito, 3,000 multiplied to 0.255104832 divided by 0.0375, we can have 6.5 80, 27, 955, 28. Multiplied po natin siya kay 3,000, so we can have our present value times 3,000. We can have 20,000, 0.08.39. Okay, so the answer is 20,408.39. So yan po yung present value or yung amount ng item na kinuha ni Ana. Kaya po siya naghuhulog ng 30,000 quarterly with a 15% interest rate. Example number 2. Rose works very hard because she wants to have enough money in her retirement account when she reaches the age of 60. She wants to withdraw 36,000. So our R is 36,000 every 3 months for 20 years. So our T or time in years is 20, starting 3 months after she retires. How much must Rose deposit at retirement at 12%? Our J is 12% or 0.12 per year compounded quarterly. So M po natin is 4. Since quarterly, pag annually po, 1. Pag semi-annually is 2. Monthly is 12, and then quarterly is 4. Okay, so we can solve for our I is equals to J 0.12 over M, which is 4. So 0.12 divided by 4, we can have 0.03. So our I is 0.03. Then our N naman po, time, which is 4 multiplied to 20 multiplied to 4, we have 80. In that, we can substitute na po, use our formula. A sub N, our R is 36,000. Quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus our I is 0.03 raised to negative. N po natin is 80 over I na 0.03. Close po natin. Simplify po muna natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 1 plus 0.03, so we can have 1.03 raised to negative 80 divided by 0.03. So sinimplify po muna yung nasa parenthesis na ito. Next po is 1.03 raised to negative 80. So 36,000. After po niyan, ang isi-simplify naman po natin yung may exponent. 1 plus 0.03 raised to negative 80. So we can have 0.09, 39, 77, 096 all over 0.03. Next, simplify po uli yung nasa parenthesis, yung nasa numerator. So 1 minus 0.093977,096. The answer is 0.906 0.906 02. Wait lang po. 602,2903 over 0.03. So divide nyo po muna bago natin siya i-multiply kay 36,000. So 36,000, 0.906,22903 divided by 0.03, we can have 30.20076,345. Multiplied to 30, multiply naman natin siya kay 36,000 times 36,000. So we can have, dapat daw po ang maipon ni Rose bago siya mag-retire para mag-last ng 20 years. So, 1,087,227.48. Ito daw po ang pera, ang present money po ni Rose para magkaroon siya ng 36,000 na pension every 3 months. Example number 3, Fernand borrows money to buy a motorcycle. He will repay the loan by making monthly payments of 1,500. So our R is 1,500 per month for the next 24 months. How many years is that? So 24, since po ang 1 year ay may 12 months, so 24, so we have P2. Next, interest rate of 9%. So our J, 9%, 0.09 per year, compounded monthly. So our M po is 12. We can solve for our I, J, 0.09 divided by 12. 0.09 divided by 12, we can have 0.0075. Then our N po, T times 12. So we have 24. So we can substitute to our formula. R po natin is 1,500. Quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus our I, 0.0075. Raised to negative n, our n po is 24. Divided by our I, 0.0075. Simplify po natin, 1,500 quantity 1 plus, simplify yung nasa parentheses, so we can have 1.0075 raised to negative 24 divided by I, which is 0.0075 equal to 1,500. So 1 plus 1.0075 raised to negative 24. We can have 0.835831,404 divided by 0.0075. Next po is 1,500. 1 minus 0.835831,404, we can have 0.164, 168,596 divided by 0.0075. Okay po. Next, divide po muna. So 0.164,168,596 divided by 0.0075, we can have 21, 21.889, 14614. Times po natin sa 15,000 times 1,500, I mean. So 21.88914,614 multiplied to 1,500. So we can have, so Fernand borrow 32,833.72. Ito po ang inutang niya or niloan po niya para makakuha siya ng motorcycle na hinuhulugan niya ng 1,500 per month sa loob po ng 2 years or 24 months. Example number 4, Hope borrows for the renovation of her house and repays by making yearly payments of 50,000. So our ARPO, or the monthly the payment period, is 50,000. Payment, the beginning of each year period, 10 years. So our time in years is 10 at interest rate of 8%. So our J is 0.08. Compounded annually. So our M po is 1. How much did Hope borrow? So I po natin is 0.08 divided by 1. So we have 0.08. N po natin, 10 multiplied to 1. So we have 10. Kompleto na po ang given. So substitute po natin siya. R natin is 50,000. Quantity 1 minus y plus our I, which is 0.08 raised to negative n. N natin is 10 divided by I, which is 0.08. Simplify again muna yung nasa parenthesis. I minus 1.08, since 1 plus 0.08 is equals to 1.08. Raised to negative 10 divided by to the interest, which is 0.08. 50,000, 1, then 1.08 raised to negative 10. So we have 0.46, 31, 9, 3, 4, 88. Divided by 0.08. So 50,000 multiplied to 1 minus 0.46, 31, 93, 488. So we can have 0.53, 68, 065, 11 divided by 0.08. So 0.53, 68, 065, 11 divided by 0.08. So we can have 50,000 multiplied to 6.7100081399. Multiplied po natin siya kay 50,000. So we can have, ang inutang pala ni Hope para sa renovation ng kanyang bahay is 335,504.07. So ito po yung kanyang inutang, kaya siya nagkaroon ng yearly payment or annually payment na 50,000 sa loob ng 10 years. So yan po, paano kunin ang present value ng ordinary